Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we got another simple and delicious cook for you. We are going to be doing chicken wings on the new Weesta air fryer oven that was just sent to me. I did a review, I'll leave a link up here for you. We're actually going to be doing lemon pepper chicken wings. Now you don't have to do lemon pepper, but this is just to kind of show you how to do wings. You can add any kind of seasonings that you want, but yep, some crispy chicken wings in the new Weesta air fryer oven. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so this is what we got. Now I was taking these out of the bag and I'm a little disappointed because as you can see, there's 9 wings here, but all of them are drumsticks except for one lonely one in the middle. Now I like flats better, which is the flat one versus the drumstick. I like them both, but I like flats better. So I'm a little disappointed, but what do you like better? Do you like flats or drumsticks better? Drop a comment below and let me know. All right, so all we're gonna do now is go ahead and just season this up. Now, remember, you can use any kind of seasoning that you want. What we're gonna be using today is just some McCormick's lemon pepper. So all we're gonna do is go ahead and give these a good seasoning. All right, so we got them all seasoned up. Now this is not it. We're gonna do something at the end as well, so make sure to stick around. Anyway, these are all seasoned up. Let's go ahead and go to the air fryer and get these things cooked up for you. Sorry guys, I actually got a little bit ahead of myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the air frying crisper basket first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then we will meet you at the air fryer. See you in a minute. Okay, so now we are at the air fryer. Let me show you how I have it set up inside. So it comes with this drip pan, so you want to put that on the bottom. Now with the rack that it comes with, you can put that on the same rack as the drip pan, or you can put it in the middle if you want a little closer up top. I'm actually going to go ahead and stick it right on the same one as the drip pan, but like I said, you can put it on either one. And we got our wings here. And what we're going to do is go ahead and just put the wings right in there. Super easy. We're good to go. So what we're doing, temperature-wise, temperature, functions, and time. I like this thing because it's super simple. It's knobs. There's not a bunch of things you need to hit. So right here, the knob, 450 degrees. We're going to choose air fry function right here, and the timer. Going to go ahead and turn this on 20 minutes. We'll probably, take a check about 10 minutes or so, see where we're at. Got the light on, so we're at 20 minutes right now. We'll be back and I'll tell you how long it's been. See you then. Okay, so we are back and it actually has been 15 minutes. Now one thing you'll notice with this is you can see here there's some steam coming out. It's because of the moisture of the chicken. It's not smoke, it's steam. It comes out, evaporates, it is gone. So don't worry about that if you purchase this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the wings and see what they look like after 15 minutes. Oh yeah. So after 15 minutes, oh my gosh, after 15 minutes they're already looking crispy. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this, it's a 180 degree rotation. So 180 degrees. There we go. Let's get them back on there. Just like that. So we just did a 180 degree rotation. We're going to put them back in. And we'll give them, let's try 10 more minutes. And we should be good to go. We'll see you then. Alright guys, so it's been another about 7 minutes. So total about 22 minutes. Let's open it up and see what we got. So it comes with this handle where you can actually use to take the basket out, which I like. Oh my gosh, those things look so crispy. Look at those. Ooh, let's get them over to the cutting board. There's one more step. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the wings are done in about 22 minutes. 450 degrees is no joke. It gets the job done super fast. So, and are they crispy? Let's take a look. First of all, see what we got here. Look at that. That is those. Yeah, and a bite. I just want to take a bite. They're probably hot. Oh man. Whew, hot, crispy, and delicious now. Excuse me, folks. Last thing. So I got 2 tablespoons of butter, about a tablespoon and a half of the lemon pepper seasoning. Just, you know, melted and all put together and stuff. So all we're going to do is go ahead and take our wings, put them right in the sauce here. We're going to get these lemony, peppery, and awesome. Sweet. Now you can use a spoon if you want and stir them around. I'm just going to go ahead and actually toss these. Bring you up here a little bit so I could see some of my tossing skills. I don't know if that worked. Anyway, let's go ahead and toss these things up. Oh man, there we go. Woo. Buttery, lemon peppery, awesome-y. I just made that a word. Oh baby, look at that. Sweet. Let's get these on a plate and try them. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and as you can see, it took like about 22 minutes. You know, 450 degrees. That is no joke. It gets those wings done real crispy and super fast. So anyway, here's you know what we ended up with. Give you a picture before, but yeah, look at those. Those super lemon pepper, and I already took a bite for you before, but those are good. I got some other people that want to eat these. I don't know, I might keep these to myself. Anyway, 1 minute. All right, so that's how you do wings in the new Weesta air fryer oven. I just did a review. I'll put a link up there so you can check that out as well. Christmas is coming around. With the link, it's like $99 plus there's a discount code below as well for an additional 10%. You know, it makes it like, what, 90 bucks for an air fryer? So that's super sweet. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook.